Good morning. Here we go. Chapter 2, Lesson 5 and Chapter 2, Lesson 6. We're doing multiplication and division of rational numbers. I just made a little table, and you've seen it in class before. When we multiply two numbers together, and whether they are either both positive or both negative, we're going to have their product be positive. If we have the product of two numbers, one being positive, one being negative, or one being negative and one being positive, the answer is always going to be negative. So the quickie rule, same sign, both positive, different signs, both negative. Let's get started with our homework from tonight, number 49 on page 79. Looks like we're going to have a distribution problem. Let's rewrite this a little bit. Minus 6, 3x minus 5y plus z. And I'm going to break out my wacky arrows. I'm going to distribute a minus 6 and this minus 6 right over here. So we remember from chapter 1, minus 6 times 3x is minus 18x. We have a minus 6 times a minus 5, which turns out to be minus times minus is a positive. We have a 30, and then we have that y, so it's 30y. So it's minus 6 times minus 5y is plus 30y. And then we have that z left over. Now remember, there's an invisible 1 in front of the z, and in order for us to do anything further, we would have to have the same variables appear in all of the terms, but we don't, so we're going to leave our answer as minus 18x plus 30y plus just 1z. Let's move to Chapter 2, Lesson 6, page 85. This one is the division section, and we're doing exactly the same thing we did here for multiplication, except we're doing it backwards, that's all. So let's begin with minus 5/6 divided by 3/4. I hope you remember minus 5/6 divided by 3/4. And in pre-algebra, we knew something about this division sign. I bet we know that we're supposed to invert that, the reciprocal, minus 5/6 times 4/3. Now we've gotten rid of the division. Oops, I lost my symbol there, that division symbol. And now we can just multiply across, or if we wanted to, we could cancel terms on the numerator and denominator. So let me do that. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So our numerators look like minus 5 times 2 is a minus 10. Don't forget the sign. And 3 times 3 is 9, so I think our answer is going to be minus 10/9. In algebra, we usually leave things as improper fractions. If you have heartburn with that, you could always leave that as minus 1 1/9. But you'll see most of the time me leaving things as improper fractions. And this is not just arithmetic, this is algebra, so it's okay to leave things that way. Thanks so much. We'll see you all tomorrow.